Every 43 hours, somewhere inside this giant yellow building in Everett, Washington,
A brand new Boeing 787 Dreamliner rolls out of the assembly line.
But how is a $240 million carbon fiber aircraft actually built?
the Dreamliner begins not with metal, but with thousands of spools of carbon fiber.
Each fiber is thinner than a human hair, yet stronger than steel. These sheets are layered into huge cylindrical molds called barrels.
The Dreamliner has multiple fuselage sections built in different global factories, then shipped here.
This is the largest autoclave in any commercial aircraft factory. It bakes each fuselage section at 350 degrees Fahrenheit under immense pressure.
The 787's wings are legendary. They flex upward like a bird during flight.
Under the wing, technicians assemble the fuel plumbing system.
Every valve, every sensor, every pump is tested twice.
Massive machines lift each fuselage barrel and align them with laser precision. The nose section arrives pre-built with wiring, avionics, and displays.
Inside, separate teams work on seats, lights, overhead bins, air conditioning ducts.
The 787's windows are special. No physical shutters. They dim electronically.
The landing gear is one of the strongest parts of the airplane.
Each engine can produce up to 76,000 pounds of thrust. More than 70 miles of wiring runs through the 787.
The aircraft enters a giant paint hangar.
A full paint job takes up to 100 gallons of coating.
Brakes, flaps, lights, hydraulics, cockpit software, everything is tested on the ground.
The final moment, the 787 rolls onto the runway for its maiden flight.
Engines roar, the carbon fiber wings flex, and the Dreamliner lifts into the sky.